If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Class interval is 0 to 10, frequency is 5. Class interval is 10 to 20, frequency is x. Class interval is 20 to 30, frequency is 20. Class interval is 30 to 40, frequency is 15. Class interval is 40 to 50, frequency is y. Class interval is 50 to 60, frequency is 5. Solution. Given median is equal to 28.5. Number of observations is 60. So, n is equal to 60. Class interval is 0 to 10, frequency is 5. Class interval is 10 to 20, frequency is x. Class interval is 20 to 30, frequency is 20. Class interval is 30 to 40, frequency is 15. Class interval is 40 to 50, frequency is y. Class interval is 50 to 60, frequency is 5. Cumulative frequency CF 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20 is equal to 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15 is equal to 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y is equal to 40 plus x plus y. 40 plus x plus y plus 5 is equal to 45 plus x plus y. Since sigma f is equal to n is equal to 60, sigma f is equal to 45 plus x plus y, which implies 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60, which implies x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 15. N is equal to 60, which implies n by 2 is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30. Since median is equal to 28.5, 20 to 30 is median class. Here, L is lower class of the median class, that is equal to 20. CF is cumulative frequency preceding median class is equal to 5 plus x. H is size of the median class interval, that is equal to 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. F is frequency corresponding to median class, that is equal to 20. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by f into h, which implies 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus of 5 plus x by 20 into 10, which implies 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5 minus x by 2, which implies 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2, which implies 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x, which implies 17 is equal to 25 minus x, which implies x is equal to 25 minus 17, which is equal to 8. Substitute the x value in equation 1, which implies 8 plus y is equal to 15, which implies y is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 8, y is equal to 7.